This is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. I look forward to working with you on your next truck need. You can reach me at 423-618-3323 or shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. This product review is on the gas engine Isuzu cab, 2-foot cross box, 12-foot dump bed, smooth exterior, hand truck held, undermount pull-out ramp, barn door rear, steps on the back, steps below so that you can get up for that last minute load out. Passenger side has the access as well, and featured at the front of the box is the 3 fold down steps with grab bar. Wheelbarrows go up on top. Make sure you have plenty of clearance on the interior of the box. Nice shelf. Middle shelf, fixed midpoint shelf, angle iron reinforced, front and the side wall for rigidity. Interior is a wholesome black, and it does have the automotive gasket around the perimeter. So what is special about Isuzu? 350 horsepower V8 gasoline engine, 6-speed automatic double overdrive transmission, 38-gallon stainless steel in-frame mounted fuel tank, plenty of power throughout the powertrain. This is a 3-year, 36,000-mile base warranty with a 5-year, 75,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's 5 years at 15,000 miles a year if you operate that in your marketplace, 5 years of coverage. If you operate more, very reasonable cost, 5 years, 150,000 miles for an extended powertrain warranty. This 3-man cab operates very simply. Open the door, enter with your first step, grab handle, and there's your 2 points of connection as you swing up, with your third step being into the cab. 3-man occupancy, center fold down seat, storage behind the middle seat for your triangle kit, your daily transport needs, and of course your fire extinguisher as well. On front of the cab, AM, FM, Bluetooth radio, air conditioning, your card storage, your hook for your trash, overhead storage as well, which means that you have plenty of opportunity to keep the truck clean, fellers, and you stow your stuff around to where it is in a good kept position. Our body controls for the tarp mounted up on the cab front wall, and the dump hoist control down below. 2 power points and 1 power point on the radio as well. Cruise control, tilt, telescopic. The full width floor mat protects the longevity of the floor and makes it easier for clean out. Tilt in the cab. If the cab is in an unlatched position, our safety alarm switch notifies the driver on the dash as a verbal and a visual alarm. The truck does come with the seatbelt alarm as well. Wear your seatbelt, guys. Our tall storage box, 8 inches of separation here for the 2 wheelbarrows, smooth skin along the full length of the body, and we're looking at the buyer's electric tarp, top mounted. We got 24 long, taking the look, coming up to 47 inches and 57 inches in the top for a wheelbarrow storage. Down below we have the rack. This is again for your hand truck. Above us, this cage is for the pull-out ramp. Our side height, 51.5 inches on the exterior. Our body length brings it all the way out to 12 feet of length. Right there you go. So we do have 48 inches of height, 12 feet of length, matched up with a 47-inch tall box, 24 inches wide, 10 inches top for your wheelbarrow, the buyer's electric tarp, storage rack on the side for your hand truck. On the back of the truck, we have a specialty ramp. It has a tray that goes the full length. This is a latching point for the pull-out ramp. Pull release, pull out the ramp. There we go. Gauge your distance. There's the edge. Drop it down. Skid shred protection. And there you have your latching point. Locking up with the trim weight, very firm the whole way up. Very firm the whole way down. Again, anti-skid. Cam latch down at the bottom. Get your chain out of the gutter, Mike. Not your mind, but your chain. Very nice interior. Smooth skin on the inside and safety chain right here on the side. Again, smooth skin on the interior to protect the goods that you transport. the latching connection for the ramp, simple stopper at the back. So at the back, I pulled out our ramp. It's got the anti-skid tape. We're going to add a little bit more to the size of it to make sure we increase that. It's got the storage tray. The in-trough security of the chain is twofold. One, to make it to where you can swing all around and chase it. But because of our trough design system, once you've got it in a shut position, once you drop that chain in there, it becomes a secondary stop as well. Easy peasy. Two-step entry into the back for getting in and out, with the grab handle being on the back of the door. 48 inches of height on the interior. Electric tarp, I had the shield up at the front, but you got a good clean environment for taking your product out to market. Once we shut the door, using our cam latch, we have a first degree of locking, and of course by dropping this in the tray, we automatically have that secondary level. Climbing up on the side to get into the back, Zerk fittings on your hinges, passenger side smooth skin, 48 inches, electric tarp type at the back, room for an additional toolbox. That there's for the electric tarp. On the box front storage, fold down, fold down, fold down, grab handle. That's the way to get into the top if you need to load and manage your product that's up on the top, or if you need to get all the way up on into the interior from the front end. So let's take a look on our interior. On the inside, from top to bottom, we're at 24 inches. On the inside, from bottom to top of shelf, 24 inches. Go figure, it's a 50-50 split. Take a look on the width of the interior, sitting right at 24 inches. So on the back, we have the pull-out ramp, tucks way right up underneath here. Got it propped up, lift up, push up, into the pocket, lift up, boom. Stored up underneath, 12 foot of access safely to get inside this box. Going to go ahead and raise the dump bed for us. So what I have found with gasoline engines is a single battery operation. Make sure you get nothing overhead. To make sure that you have plenty of power, it's best to do it with the vehicle on. There we go. So up underneath your body, when you raise it up, there is a stanchion here. Raise it up, it locks into place. Has a pocket on the inside. It comes down and rests right on top of here, protecting somebody to get out from underneath the side. Looking at the storage compartment for our aluminum ramp. Wonderfully caged up underneath. Fuel fill, hinge points, subframe, power hoist system, the PH515. We're on 16-inch centers of the cross members. Yay! Tucked between the frame rail is our 38-gallon stainless steel fuel tank. Hydraulic system set in between the frame rail, protecting it from debris and buildup. You got it set up as the body comes down. It is fully sheltered in this envelope from there to here. Our dump angle of the body. So you can tell nothing is going to be able to stay on the inside when this is in the raised position. Lower safety mechanism. It tucks inside the subframe, and we'll lower the body down. All right, so I've got the tarp in the down position. We'll go ahead and operate this all the way out. It is an electric tarp. Make sure we have the full opening. Let's take a look in the back. Rested just inside the lip. That way it seals the door. Come out a little bit more. It is adjustable on these two nuts. You got to grab a nut. 1, 2, slide it out if you want just a little bit more of the positioning of the tarp. Very good. Raising it back up. There we go. Nice, powerful system. It does have grommets on the side. So again, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. Do look forward to work with you on your next truck need. You can reach me by phone, 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Go make it a great day. So I want to take you on a quick walk around an awesome body that you're going to like. Oops. This is the Isuzu gas engine with 2-foot crossbox and 12-foot dump body. What makes this so special? Glad you asked. First of all, we have storage up underneath that there for your hand truck. The sides on this, well, they're 48 inches. On the back, that down there, that is an undermount pull-out 11-foot ramp so you can get into the back And it has latching mechanism for the full length. And look, up at the front. This here are some fold down steps. That means you can get up on the back. Yeah, yeah. Buy my truck.